What's up guys, it's Cole Seeley. We're out here at the Honda test track. We're doing our team shoot. Getting some shots of the product and of course the riders and the bikes, and we'll get fully geared up here in a minute and hit the track and try and look our best. Look good for the camera, make sure I get a good poster this year. So just another year. I'm excited. This is my 5th year doing this, so with the same company. 10th year with Troy Lee, 5th year with Honda, so it's going good. I'm excited for the season. Yeah, the new graphics are sweet. Like, they actually bring me back to like the OG Troy Lee Honda days, like where I started on a Honda. A little bit more blue than normal. Kind of always good. Like, I'm always in red, white, and blue, so it kind of always mends well with my gear. And yeah, I'm excited. It's like rare on this team that we change, you know, the look and the aesthetic of the bike and stuff. So it's cool to kind of switch it up, and it feels like we're riding a whole new bike. So it's definitely exciting.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.